Yo fam, if you're using one of these deodorants, have a very toxic ingredient called aluminum.
Is toxic aluminum causing cancer? Let's break this down. I'm a dermatologist and patients ask me this all the time. So let's review the history of this. Back in 2003, a small study claiming a link between shaving, using aluminum-based antiperspirants, and breast cancer. They proposed that by shaving, you're allowing more aluminum to enter your skin and causing breast cancer closest to that area. But here's the thing that everyone learns in medical school. The bulk of breast tissue is in that upper outer quadrant. So breast cancer is most commonly going to occur where the most tissue is. Study after study has shown that aluminum is not a risk factor for breast cancer. And the other really interesting thing, if shaving leads to more aluminum being absorbed in breast cancer, wouldn't we expect more men to get breast cancer if they were also shaving their armpits? I spent a semester doing dermatology training in Austria, and one of the differences that I observed there is men were shaving their armpits and their bodies. Like the majority of the male population is shaving their armpits there. So let's look at breast cancer in men in Austria. Rate of breast cancer in Austrian men versus American men is relatively the same, despite differences in shaving practices. And
Your skin absorbs into your bloodstream within 30 seconds.
Okay, first of all, I love your jacket. I want that. Second of all, that is not true. No skin is like acne, dark spots, makeup, blah, 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 but it's actually really complex. In fact, there's this thing called the basement membrane, which does an amazing job at keeping the outside world out of your internal body. So why won't this myth die? Money. That's right, walk down any cosmetic personal care aisle and you will see all of this marketing around aluminum-free products. It's fear-mongering and virtue signaling for these newer companies to try to differentiate themselves. And it's honestly really effective marketing. The same for parabens. You've seen paraben-free all over. Dermatologists love and miss parabens. Because they are safe and because we don't use parabens as a preservative anymore, we have so many more skin reactions.